make it happen for this homeowner. Crazy tree fell over here. Here with Hatton, and we're in the trenches right now. Right, Hatton?
That's right.
There he is. You have any trouble with the roof? Need help? Don't hesitate. Call Femath Sales Tech with Docs Roofing Construction. I guess have a good day. Look at that. It's good progress. And I see the garage now and the front door. Making progress. Yes, sir. There it goes. Woo! There it is, Hatton. All right.
Missed that flower pot.
Missed that flower pot.